Have you ever wished you could turn a simple selfie into a professional headshot or even a stunning cartoon portrait in just 60 seconds? Well, today's your lucky day. In this video, I'll introduce you to a game-changing tool that transforms your photos into eye-catching masterpieces, perfect for LinkedIn, social media, or even dating profiles. And guess what? You can try it out for free. Yes, no hidden charges, just upload your selfie and let the magic happen. Stay tuned as we dive into this powerful AI tool, explore its features, and see if it truly lives up to the hype. Let's dive in. Open your browser and search for FaceMimic AI. Click on the first result, or you can find its link in the description below. Once opened, you'll see an interface with the tagline, AI-powered professional headshot in seconds. This tool allows you to transform a simple selfie into a professional profile picture. You can use it to create business images, generate Instagram posts, and many more. You can also operate it via Telegram, similar to how many AI tools are used on Discord. I'll demonstrate how it works on Telegram since, in my experience, it performs better there. Let's begin by clicking Generate a Headshot. A new window will open, showing a page where you'll first need to sign in with your Google account. Using this tool is incredibly simple. After signing in, click on Upload Your Selfie and choose a clear image where your face is easily visible. For example, I'll upload this image. Once uploaded, you can select a style. For now, I'll choose the professional style. After selecting the style, click Generate. Within a minute, your image will be ready, just as I mentioned earlier. Our first image has been generated. As you can see, it has transformed my original image into an outstanding professional one. Let me download it and show you the quality in full resolution. You can clearly see how perfect this headshot is. In my opinion, this tool delivers exceptional results. Let's click Retry and generate another image in a different style. This time, I'll go with the Polaroid style. Once generated, you can see how accurate and amazing the results are. I didn't know about such a fantastic free tool before. If you know of any similar tools, let me know in the comments. Now let's delete this image and upload another one to try something new. This time I'll upload this image and convert it into a cartoon. As you can see, the result is very impressive. Next, we'll move to the tool's homepage and test it on Telegram for free. Click Try Free on Telegram and open the Telegram bot. In my experience, the results here are even more impressive than on the website. This bot also offers a face swap feature, which you can join for free. I'll create a separate video on that. For now, let's stick to the headshot generator. Once you open the bot, here's how it works. Start by clicking the menu button. Here, you'll find various options like face swap, earning free credits, buying credits, account management, and AI-generated photos. To create a headshot, first set up your profile by clicking Set My Profile and uploading the photo you want to use. I'll use the same image here. Once your profile is set, click Generate a Photo. You'll be presented with 24 different styles to choose from. I'll select the nightlife style. After submitting the task, credits will only be deducted if the image is successfully generated. The bot will notify you once the task is completed. You can also see the progress and earn additional free credits by clicking the Earn Credits button, joining their Telegram group, or inviting friends. Our nightlife image is now ready. You can see how it perfectly depicts the scene of a person enjoying a beautiful evening on a ship. To save the image, simply right-click and save. You'll notice the presets appear again under the newly generated image. Since the profile is already set, let's generate another image. This time I'll go for the soap bubbles style. Once the task is submitted and completed, you'll see the amazing results again. The image quality remains flawless, with no distortion or changes to the face. Now, let's set up a new profile with a different image. This time, I'll upload a girl's photo and try to create a birthday princess image. The results are equally impressive. Let's also generate a Korean-style profile picture. As you can see, it has perfectly created an image resembling a Korean girl. Below the image, you can see the remaining credits displayed. If you want to buy credits, go to the menu and click Buy Credits. From here, you can easily purchase them. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now, but before I go, I would love to hear about your experience with creating headshots using FaceMimic AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!